Motorcycle jacket for men. Textile motorbike Dualsport Enduro Motocross racing biker riding. C armored waterproof all-weather, black, large. C approved armors, removable, on the motorcycle Moto jacket's back, elbows, and shoulders. 3 color contrast HWK design. All-weather motorbike coats. Males, 600D CORDURA construction textile motorcycle racing jacket. The HWK Motorcycle Jacket males is an all-season motorcycle riding coat at its best, tough and also solid, yet soft and comfy to the touch, to maintain you warm during winter season, cool during summer, and also safe at the same time. 100% waterproof motorcycle jacket for males, breathable with the aid of lined REISSA membrane. Optimum quality at a minimum price. This a bargain. We bet that you would certainly not be able to discover a textile motorcycle jacket man at this rate in the safety gear market. This waterproof motorbike jacket is breathable and has mesh lining underneath. Breast measurement size UUID, inches, small 38, medium 40, large 42, X large 44, XX large 46, XXXL 48. After that, please choose the upper dimension for simple suitable. If you're in between dimensions. All-weather season motorcycle jacket armor with removable winter thermal lining. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.